6 ways to naturally remove unwanted body hair permanently. If you thought the facial hair was bad, wait until your body hair begins to grow out of control. Everyone has, at least, a little bit of body hair under their arms, around their genitals, on their legs, and so on. Then there are the people unlucky enough to sprout hair from harder to reach places, their backs, their shoulders, their arms, etc. Some body hair is to be expected, to men and women alike. But what do you do when it darkens, thickens, and makes you look like you're wearing a hair rug on your back or shoulders? Get rid of it, of course. There are so many ways how to get rid of body hair, from shaving to waxing to laser hair removal, but what about natural methods? Are there ways to get rid of your body hair using only ingredients found in nature? No lasers, no harsh hair removal creams, and definitely no risk of razor burn. Thankfully, there are a few natural hair removal methods that work. If you want to know how to get rid of body hair for good, read on to find out a few simple methods for all natural hair removal. How to permanently get rid of body hair? Does permanent exist? Before we look at the hair removal methods, we have to talk about the hairy elephant in the room. So many people are looking for a permanent hair removal method, one that will eliminate body hair once and for all. They try everything from waxing to electrolysis to laser hair removal, all in an effort to stop those pesky hairs from growing back. But is there such a thing as permanent? Is there any way to prevent hair from regrowing, or will it always come back in the end? Truth time. There's only one hair removal method that can be considered permanent. Electrolysis burns the hair follicles, damaging them so much that your body is unable to repair them. With the follicles damaged, they cannot sprout new hairs. However, even electrolysis isn't 100% permanent. Many people who undergo this type of hair removal end up regrowing body hair after a few years. By the time 10 years have passed since the completion of electrolysis, hair follicles have regrown at least a percentage of body hair. It's not as dark or thick as it was before the electrolysis, but it's still visible. Laser hair removal usually only works for up to a year or so. The light beam does damage the hair follicles, but not to the extent of electrolysis. It slows down the regrowth rate without actually stopping it. That's why it's recommended to get follow-up laser hair removal treatment every year. That way, the laser will burn away the hair once more. As for the other hair removal methods, waxing, tweezing, shaving, sugaring, threading, etc., the hair removal doesn't last anywhere near as long. Wax your legs, and you may not see proper hair regrowth for a month or so. Wax your back or shoulders, and the results may last a bit longer due to the sparsity of hair in these regions. However, in the end, the hair will always grow back. Understanding this will help you to realize that there is no such thing as permanent hair removal. People who are looking for how to get rid of body hair permanently naturally are going to be disappointed. The natural hair removal methods below are highly effective, but they can't promise anything permanent. How to get rid of body hair the natural way? While you may not be able to permanently get rid of body hair, the methods below will be highly effective to help you in your weekly/monthly struggle to keep your body hair under control. Try these remedies to find out which work best. Raw papaya. Papaya is so much more than just a tropical fruit. It's packed with vitamins and minerals, as well as a specific enzyme called papain. Papain helps to break down your hair follicles, slowing down your hair regrowth rate. Not only will it deal with the hairs currently sprouting from the follicles, but it can delay the return of your body hair. The best thing about papaya is that it's highly nourishing for your skin, and it can be applied even to those with highly sensitive skin. It's a beautiful exfoliating substance that will get rid of body hair as it provides nutrients to your skin. Talk about a win-win. Papaya remedy number 1. For this remedy, you will need raw papaya, raw turmeric root. Using a knife, peel and chop the papaya into small cubes. Use a fork to mash the cubes into a thick, juicy papaya pulp. Grate a knuckle-sized piece of raw turmeric root using the smallest holes. This will give you zest-sized pieces, which you can mix into the papaya pulp. Mix the pulp well to ensure the turmeric is properly absorbed, and apply the paste to the body parts with unwanted hair. Gently massage the pulp into your skin, and let it sit for up to 20 minutes. Once the time has passed, rinse the pulp from your skin with warm water. There may be a bit of yellowing of your skin, the result of the turmeric, but it will fade in a few days. This is a remedy to repeat once or twice a week. Once the body hair has lightened, you can shave/wax. Give your skin a day to recover, then apply the mixture again. Keep applying it regularly, and you may not have to worry about waxing or shaving for a long time. Turmeric. Turmeric is a potent root that makes a delicious addition to curries, sauces, and stews, but it's also loaded with a powerful antioxidant known as curcumin. Curcumin helps to reduce inflammation, fight bacteria, and keep your skin healthy. Best of all, turmeric can seriously reduce hair growth. You can use turmeric in either raw or powder form, depending on its availability in your city. If local supermarkets don't carry it, search Oriental food stores to find powdered or raw turmeric. Turmeric remedy number 1. For this remedy, you will need turmeric powder, sesame oil, gram flour. Mix a tablespoon of turmeric powder with an equal amount of gram flour, and stir well to combine. Pour in the sesame oil until you have a thick paste. Using your fingers, apply the paste to the areas with unwanted body hair. Let the mixture dry and sit for about 30 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. Use a gentle scrubbing motion to get rid of the paste, and a bit of hair will come off. You can repeat this remedy once weekly to deal with your body hair. Sugar, lemon, and honey. Have you ever noticed how sugar turns thick and wax-like when heated? It's why we have delicious caramel and toffee. Using sugar with honey can be a natural alternative to the costly paraffin wax used by so many spas and hair removal clinics. Adding a bit of a lemon helps to bleach the hair, reducing its visibility. Mixing honey and sugar make a thick wax that, once applied, will nourish your skin even as it sticks to your hairs, making it easier to rip them out. Note: trim your hairs roughly 10 days before using this remedy to maximize its efficiency. Sugar, honey, and lemon remedy. For this remedy, you will need honey, sugar, lemon. Mix a tablespoon of sugar with a tablespoon each of honey and lemon juice. Place the mixture in a metal bowl, and place that bowl over a double boiler. This will heat the liquid slowly, preventing burning, dissolving the sugar, and turning it into a thick wax-like paste. Note: add water to thin out an overly thick paste, or mix in cornstarch to thicken a too thin paste. Apply a bit of cornstarch to the areas you want to wax. This will help to prevent the wax mixture from clinging to your skin. Using a wooden spoon, apply the wax to your skin in the direction of the hairs. Pat a strip of waxing cloth into the still soft wax, allow it to cool and harden, and rip off. It works like a regular wax, but far more natural. If you liked this video, don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Subscribe to my channel and give us a big like. Thank you for sharing your time with me and have a nice day.